Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you and I hope that you will join me. I picked up some new goodies. Look at these. It's the Premier Just Chanel yarn. These are new colors. Well, I think these two are. I think I've seen this one before. I'm not quite positive, but yes, this one is cocoa. This one is mango and aqua. But yeah, they're such cute colors, right? I like them. So I picked up one of the mango and one aqua, but I picked up 4 of these cocoa. I don't know. I have a project in mind. We'll see how that works out. But I wanted to have it just in case my Dollar Tree ran out. Just, just when I need to do my project, it will probably run out. So I picked up 4 of those. And I picked up this wax warmer container. And then this is the has the bee on the sides. I think it needs to be repainted, so I'm going to go ahead and do a little repainting on this one. Maybe color the bees so they can stand out. But yeah, it'll make a nice addition to my display. So I brought one home. And I also picked up some rope. This is the poly rope, and then you'll find this one in the tools section. And I picked up 3. I have an outdoor project I want to do, but I wasn't sure what color I wanted. So I picked up 3 of these. I probably don't need all 3, but to be on the safe side, I picked up 3. And look what I found at our favorite store. Look. Some bee fabric. How cute is this? It's got the honeybees, the honey pot or jars. And it's got the flowers on there. And then it also has that honeycomb pattern on the back side. Look at that. How cute. At Dollar Tree, no less. Adorable. So I picked up 4. And then I picked up this gray fabric. But it coordinates though. Look at that. It all came out of the same box. So I'm quite happy I found these. And I only picked up 1 gray fabric. I also picked up some cupcake liners. I have the gray and white check one in the regular size and in the mini cups. And then I also picked it up in the teal with white polka dots. I have the mini and the regular size. Pretty colors, right? I don't know. I love them. So half of this is going to go in my craft supply box. The other is going to the kitchen. And then I picked up a bag of crushed glass. It's in the green colored ones. I think this will work really well for my projects with the shore living products. I think it'll work really well. So I picked up 1, and you get 8.5 ounce per bag. Oh, and then look at this. I found this in the clearance bin. It says, happiness is easy at the beach. I'm not quite positive why it's 75% off. Maybe. Oh, I see why. Because the beach, it looks like it slid around inside the frame. But then it's stuck though. Yeah, it used to be 50 cents. Now they're charging 75 cents. Let me see if I can open it. You'll see what I mean. Oh, like it's like when they glued the word beach down, they didn't press it down properly, so it slid around and it left it left all the glue residue. See there? But now it's stuck though. So I need to figure out if I can remove that. I wonder if I like heat it, it will come off. I will give it a try to see if I can get that glue off. Maybe some of the goo be gone. That might work, right? We'll see. So I picked this up. It was 75 cents. Look what I found at our favorite store, the Dollar Tree. Look at these frames. Aren't they cute? They're so adorable. It has like a marble background, and then it's got the white lace stencil. And then you got a make-believe tag that says love. And then this frame on the inside is like a whitewashed wood background. It is cute. I like it. I wanted to create something with these frames. That's why I picked them up. Adorableness. And then I also picked up this patriotic fan. Look at that. So this is a fabric, in case you're wondering. Nice, right? I picked up one. And then I also picked up this hanging tag sign, or what is it called? Wall decor. This one has the flag. This one says 4th of July and Home of the Brave. I plan to separate this and use it on my chair tray. Really cute adorableness. So I picked up one. And then I also found these. This is a nail art tape. So I found it in the gold and the silver. I was thinking of using it in an art project. And not really my nails, but but look, kind of using it like you would a washi. Look how skinny that is. So I picked that up. I picked up 2 gold and 2 silvers. I'm quite sure it works just the way a washi would. It'll stick to paper too, because it is self-adhesive. And then it is 0.03 inch by 22 yards. That's a lot. A lot. So quite happy I found these. The last couple of items I picked up are these. I found this sticker. This is the, it just says glitter 8-piece. And it's vacation stickers. Look, it has a tropical vibe. Look at that. You got they're pop-up stickers. Look at that. So this one says vacation, stay sweet. Oh, maybe a vanilla flower. Pineapple, summer vacation, paradise. Oh, how cute. I did not even notice the flamingo's wearing a hat. And then I love summers. Cute. I like it. I only found one, so I picked up the one. And then I brought home the stencil. So this stencil is new to me. I have not seen the stencil. So let me pull this out. Because look at this. They look like Cheetos, right? And then it's like cracked glass, and then you got the wave scallop. I'm not sure what that one's called. And then like a brick, round brick, and then you got layered bricks, and then a fencing and a weave. Interesting, right? I thought I would give these a stencil to try on one of my projects. I don't know. That just looks like Cheetos to me right there. Well, that is my Dollar Tree haul for this week, everyone. I hope I was able to show you a few items that you may want to keep a watch out for at your Dollar Tree. Well, when you go visit your Dollar Tree, definitely take a look at these frames. These are really, really cute. I like them. Quite happy to have found those. Oh yeah, look at this. I am so happy with Dollar Tree. Look at that. Very cute. And then all these new cute colored yarns coming in. I wonder, there's probably more colors coming in, right? But this is what I found so far. I'm quite happy with my Dollar Tree. I hope that you find everything you're looking for that you have on your wish list the next time you stop at our favorite store, the Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by to watch my Dollar Tree haul. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.